Hi, welcome back to Delineation, home to some spectacular Lightroom tones and presets. Today we will demonstrate you how to edit cyberpunk look in Lightroom. These settings are flexible, so you can use them in Lightroom Mobile and Camera Raw as well. Here are some stock photo previews. If you want to follow along with us, you can click the links down below in the description for downloading them. Before starting, here are some important notes. Now, Gabriel will take over from here.
Thanks, Jennifer. Now let's start editing. First, go to temperature, and decrease it to -14. Move the tint slider to +17. Now, decrease the exposure to 0.83. Next, increase the contrast to +18. Now, go to highlights and lower it to -63. Now come to shadows, decrease it to -25. Now, increase the whites to +43. Next, go to blacks and move the slider to -5. Now, increase the clarity up to +10. Next, go to vibrance and pop it up to +50. Now, increase the saturation to +24. Let's jump to curves and try to replicate the points the way we have done it. Now switch to HSL tab. These are the sliders which focuses on the color and alters them completely. Next go to hue, and decrease the reds to -87. And then, increase the saturation up to +51. Take the slider to +89 for increasing red luminance. Now come to orange, decrease the hue to -91. Decrease orange saturation to -38. Increase the luminance to +51. Now, come to yellow and increase the hue up to +82. Then, increase the saturation to +13. Next, increase the luminance to +27. Next, come to blue and decrease the hue to -51. Then decrease the saturation to -9. Increase the blue luminance to +9. Now come to purple. Decrease the saturation to -69. Now, go to split tone. These sliders gives the flexibility of adding colors in highlight and shadows. Come to hue of highlights in split tone and make it 339. Take saturation slider to 19. Play with the balance, as per your photo. Now, go to shadows and make the hue 180. Increase the saturation to 14. And we're done with the editing process. Now let's copy these settings to other photos. We haven't ticked exposure and contrast settings while copying, as every image has its own brightness and contrast values. So, it is in your hand to play with them according to the image. Thanks for watching this video. You are free to subscribe and support this channel. Also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like it and hit the bell icon to get notified about new tones.